industry. I think that if we keep up with our genetically modified chickens, in the long run, I see it going bad. I think that it's okay to do it more in plants, because plants really, although they are living, they don't have a heart, they don't have a brain, they don't necessarily always feel pain. So I think, maybe genetically modified plants is a little more of a humane way, and maybe we should look more into genetically modifying plants instead of animals. I think from an ethical standpoint, it is terrible how we can treat these chickens. I think it is horrible that they can't. I mean, an animal that naturally is used to walking around is physically unable to do that because we have created it unnaturally to be able to stand up. Yeah. So this is a little off topic, but I had in my essay written about a turkey that had fallen off of a slaughter truck that my girlfriend and I had nursed and took care of. And believe it or not, they have personalities. They're real animals. They may have been created in a lab or whatever, but they are real animals with real feelings. And the day that turkey could not stand up, we couldn't figure it out, and we realized we were feeding him too much. He grew too rapidly, and he could no longer stand, which is, like I said, why they starved the poor chickens, because, they can't have all the chickens laying around. They won't be able to eat and drink, and then we won't have anything. And that brings me to another point. If these chickens can't stand, it means they're sitting around in each other's feces. So how can that be healthy for consumers? If that gets in their system, I know it has to be USDA approved, but still, when you think about it, it's just not very, very ethical. I think we are cutting corners as a country to produce these mass quantities. And when I think about it, who knows if we're really using all these chickens? If you ever see a chicken, the chicken stacked in the semi trucks, being delivered to slaughter, they're stuffed in. They are stuffed in like cotton balls in a bag. And yeah, after thinking about that, I don't even want to go to, have fried chicken. Think about all the fried chicken that everybody eats. It's just, there has to be a better way to feed our country without having to modify living and breathing organisms. There should be maybe more money specified to farmers, to raise healthy, real bread